I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Esprit Wig from the Wille Hair Society collection. The Hair Society collection wigs are a super high quality line that have really comfortable lightweight caps designed for people with sensitive scalps, designed for women by women. It is a really comfortable throw-on wig, synthetic fibre but super high quality, very soft and realistic feeling. The Esprit wig is a lovely sort of mid-length bob with very salon quality waves, as you can see, so just nice and soft, easy, perfect to just throw on and go. I'm going to flip this wig inside out so that we can take a closer look at that really high quality, well-made cap. So inside this cap, you can see at the front we've got this extended lace front here. This is perfect for making it look as if your hair is growing straight out of your scalp across your forehead. Then we have a lovely monofilament part here, so again this is going to shine straight through to your scalp, giving that really natural, lifelike appearance. For the rest of the cap, we've got partly hand tied on this really stretchy cap base, making it very comfortable, again very lightweight, nice and easy to wear. And then we've got a little section of our wefting at the back, which is perfect for airflow. We've got our little metal stays in the ear tabs there, making sure that your wig is going to stay on place when it's lined up with your temples. And then we've got our little Velcro adjusters at the back as well. This is an average size cap, but those little Velcro adjusters mean that you can make the wig fit your head perfectly, so it's going to stay in place all day and not go anywhere. So I've just tied my hair up so that we can pop this wig on for you. So I'm just going to line it up with my forehead, pulling it down to the nape of my neck, flip it over, then I'm going to grab those little ear tabs and line them up with my temples there and make sure that forehead is about 4 fingers width back from my eyebrows. So this is the Esprit wig on. You've got 19 centimeters of length at the fringe, you've got 25 centimeters from the crown and 18 centimeters at the side and nape. As you can see, she is just a lovely kind of shorter, just below chin length bob with those salon quality curves. She's so lightweight, about 75 grams in weight, so just really comfortable and easy to wear all day. Perfect for those of you who get a hotter head, perfect for keeping that air flowing round, keeping you nice and comfortable all day. It is in the shade Silver Blonde Rooted, and I've got a couple other of the colours that are available at Judy Plum here to show you. This is the shade Dark Chocolate, which is a lovely, rich, deep brunette. This one is the shade Hazelnut Rooted, which is a lovely, sort of warm toned brunette with these auburny highlights running throughout. And the final shade I've got to show you today is Champagne Rooted, which is this lovely, slightly warmer toned blonde with a wee bit of a deeper root there. This wig is available in a range of other colours, all very natural and easy to wear. I'm going to show you this wig from a couple different angles so that you can see the length and how she's sitting. So as you can see, this is just a super lightweight, easy to wear wig that you can just throw on straight out of the box, ready to go. Just a super fun bob length, nice and lightweight and comfortable. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the Esprit wig. As you can see, she's just so comfortable. You can completely see why this is such a popular style. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can find Judy Plum on all social media at Judy Plum, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Head on over to the channel to check out the other wig review videos that we've been making for you. Head on over to the Judy Plum website to check out the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. We'll see you again later.